Good morning, family. Good morning, so ugly yet so beautiful family. So, at this time, there is a critical need for you to stay slow and steady. There's a good amount of us who are in a state of decision making, holy decision making, critical decision making. You are not in a place right now where you need to, or should I say, you are in a place where you have to drown out the noise. The enemy is using some of the people closest to you in the environment that God has you in. And there is an agenda to knock you off your pivot. At this time, it is very important to stay level-headed, to stay grounded, to know what's noise and to know what's divine. You have to have a strong, keen sense of what you should respond to, what should affect you right now, because you are receiving critical information. You have to have a clear vision of what is going on and be very intentional right now. Know what's noise and know what's divine, so that you can see clearly, so that you can be cognizant of what the Holy Spirit is telling you at this time. Don't be anxious for anything. Stay calm, stay grounded. Let yes be yes and let no be no, because we have walked this path for some time now to have a clear understanding of what God's character is, how he moves when it comes to making decisions in your life. And you have to trust that the same God that's been guiding you through this wilderness is going to be the same God that's leading you into this next. Stay level-headed, stay clear. And as we know that this is a spiritual walk, so there are some people who are annoyed right now because other people can sense that something is about to happen for you, that something is about to break out in your life, and they can sense what's going on. Know what's noise and know what's divine. Use your sensitivity for purpose right now and not for chaos. We're not entertaining it. We're not entertaining it. Stay focused. Stay level-headed. Stay grounded. Go out in nature if you have to. Spend some time out and alone if you have to. Know who God is. Remember who God is. I love you.